Hello, this is Jean from the Inky Studio, and I have a journal share here of my shabby vintage sewing themed junk journal. And I know we made this cover together, and I will put a list down below, a link to that video. But I ended up cutting that sheet we made to collage together and put in a spine rather than folding it over. I wanted to put a lot more into this journal than what I originally thought. And so I just simply cut it in half, put in some cardstock for the spine. I put in a layer of cloth on the outside, and I also have a layer of cloth on the inside. So the joints are nice and secure. And so it's an extra heavy weight cardstock with cloth on the front and scrapbook paper on the inside. And here is the really pretty front. I'm so pleased. I'm very pleased how this journal turned out. These are some vintage lace I just put there on the front, and it's a seam binding. And inside there is a pocket here for you to slip something in that you would like to keep. I have lots of fabric and lace details throughout here, and I'm using these beautiful, beautiful photographs of sewing, vintage sewing scenes or photos, and I will link down below where I got that from. And so here is the first little page, and then over here is a flip out glassine bag with a journaling card, a little bit of vintage lace on the side, some fabric ruffled and sewn. And so I've done a lot of decorating in this journal. Here is a double flip over tag. You can write on the inside of each of that. A little bit of lace detailing, a little charm. Love this photo. And then in the back, it has a little pocket here out of cloth. And a little bit of cloth on the paper clip there. And here is another pocket with a little file folder slipped inside there with a vintage advertisement. Now all these are digitals, but they're very beautiful, I think. And here's a little decoration on that side, and a lace, vintage lace pocket with little bits of card there. More decoration down there. So there's plenty of room for writing, lots of pages where you can put your own memorabilia or however you'd like to decorate it. I love, this is digital paper, but it's beautiful. And I'll link down below where I got this as well, but I just love it. It's very, it looks almost real. And here is a policy envelope and a little belly band there. And this is some of that lace paper. And inside here then is this gorgeous journaling card. Just gorgeous. I just think these turned out so nice. And then on the other side was another tag that was decorated. And this button actually is a sticker that I put on a piece of cardstock, but it looks real. It looks absolutely real, doesn't it? But it doesn't take up a lot of space. Here's a lace flip so that you can, put something down there, do some writing. A digital that for that little over decoration there on that tag, and that slips inside this glassine bag like so. A little bit of lace there, fabric, and I love these pictures of these dresses, these vintage dresses in here. A little card stuck in the side. I thought this fabric looked really nice with the color of this rose down here. Here is a CD pocket, and inside is a journaling card, but there's a pocket behind there as well. So if you wanted to put your own photo inside this area, then you could put this in the back pocket. Another lovely photo. Little tuck spot there. Here's a flip out envelope, another one with a lovely lady at her sewing machine, and a pocket with some vintage lace. and a little owl charm I like to put in my journals. This is the middle signature in the middle of the middle signature. Here is some more vintage lace, and this is another flip over tag, two-sided, and for journaling. And I love this little piece of fabric here. I think it really brings out the roses inside that page. Here is another cute. She looks so snarky, doesn't she? Look like she looks kind of fun. And another little journaling card inside there. A little bit of collaging on this ledger paper, or digital ledger paper. So this is just a perfect place to do any kind of writing, and or put a photograph there or whatever. And here is a little bit of collaging there. Another cloth pocket with some more little cards in there and some hand stitching on top of that pocket. Now this is really a fantastic little journal if you like to document your sewing projects in. Here is another flip over card, and I tried to do something on the back of all the cards, or most of the cards, just to have some interest back there. A little bit of vintage lace, and then here's the other side of that flip over card with another pocket, a little bit of ephemera down there. Thought this pink really went well with that page. Here is another beautiful blouse. A little bit of a card stuck in there, a little bit of lace and collaging around it. These are 3 tiers pocket with little pieces that you can probably use throughout your journaling to decorate your pages with. A little journaling card there in the back, a little bit of lace down there, a little cloth with the word fashion. And I love this lady, this advertisement in this lady. Isn't that a sweet advertisement? And that flips up so that you can do some writing on the back or put whatever, and it has some vintage lace sewn on the side there. And here's, I didn't do anything here. I thought I would leave the spread completely open for someone to decorate. I did go over and do some stenciling, but I did that. And here is another little collage with some cloth and a little flip out envelope with a little thread charm. And this is all about thread. We have a little vintage advertisement, and this flips out with another vintage advertisement. And you can do some journaling down that. And here is, this is about embroidery. So you got some embroidery stitches, and then a little sampler-like type of thing. And the word embroidery. Love this wallpaper. Digital wallpaper is so sweet. And over here is a lasting bag with the cover and some vintage lace and another digital in this lace, paper lace pocket. And in the back is one more little pocket for you to slip something into. So this is the journal. It's pretty chunky. It measures 5.5 by 8.5. I think it's about 2 inches thick. And just ties together with plenty of ribbon that you can expand that even more. But there you go. And so this is the journal. This will be available in my Etsy shop. It really was a lot of fun to put together, and I just love how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you again real soon. Bye.